What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, being car keys. So today's video is somewhat of an impromptu, unplanned video here, a little maintenance, if you will, on the Mazda CX-5. Let me show you. Now, it is super windy. What a beautiful day. Super windy. I'm gonna close the door. So, the other day I got into the Mazda CX-5 and I saw this. This is one of those things where, you know, a lot of people when their key fob dies or the battery is low on the key fob. Now, first of all, it's amazing that the car tells you that your battery is low on your key fob. That's cool. It's amazing. I'm happy that it does that because otherwise you wouldn't know, unless it finally went dead and then you just, you know. So, it's good that it tells you that. A lot of people, cars come with two keys. So a lot of people, when the first one goes dead, they just go get the backup key and start using that one. And then eventually they have two dead batteries and they don't know what to do. So when you see stuff like this, I recommend that you just change it right away. Don't procrastinate. Don't wait a week and say I'll do it later. Just do it right away, because you don't want to be out somewhere, at the mall or at the grocery store, and you get back to your vehicle and the battery's dead because you waited to change it. So my advice is just change it right away. You don't have to worry about it. Let me show you how to do that. All right, so we're back in the garage, and this is our key. As you see, it doesn't have any screws whatsoever on it. Now, regardless of what they tell you at the dealership, do not take this to the dealership to get changed. Please don't do that. They're gonna charge you an arm, leg, and a couple feet just to change the battery in this, and they're gonna charge you like $100 just to change the battery, and you don't need all that. You don't need any tools. All you need is, of course, your new battery, which is 2025, and you need this. This is the only tool you need. A plastic butter knife, and make sure it's plastic so that it doesn't damage the key fob. Now, let me speak about this real quick. You see how it's child secure? Please do not let your kids get to these batteries, especially babies. Babies and small children put everything in their mouths, and a lot of kids have gotten severely sick and had to have surgery from swallowing these batteries. So it says child secure here. And up here it says bitter taste. Basically, they put a bitter taste on it, so if the kids do put this in their mouths, they'll spit it out because it tastes so disgusting. So keep that in mind. Please do not let your kids get near this. It is vitally important. Anyway, so that out the way, the only thing you need to do here, first off, you take off your actual key. You hit the button here, slide out, and you don't need that. So if you look here on your key fob, focus, there we go. Just take your butter knife and you lift here, right there, and you lift up. You might have to put a little pressure on it to do so. Right, so you lift up a little bit and that part come up. Then you take the back part of your butter knife and slide it on through. You're gonna hear it snap. See? Hear it snap. Right? It's gonna snap open like that. Oh, there you go. And that's how you get access to your battery. Now here it also shows you the battery number, CR2025, which is what we have here. Now to open, this is just a battery cover. Just take your fingernail and lift up, that off, and there's your battery. Slides right on out. Take your new battery, and these are supposed to be child-proof. I see how. Oh, so they want you to cut across here so that the other battery is not exposed when you open the whole pack. I got scissors. All right. So this is double wrapped in plastic. your battery and you put it face down so that the logo is sitting up, like so. You take your battery cover and it just snaps right back on, like so. And you take your cover. The cover literally just snaps back on all the way around. Make sure it's all the way, snap back on all the way. And you slide your key back in. And just like that, you change the battery in your key fob. What they will tell you at the dealership, you need to drop the car off and you know, you don't need all that. This is all you need. Right, 3 minutes, new battery in your key fob. Now we're gonna go to our car to make sure that it's working. All right, back in our Mazda CX-5. Now we're gonna go ahead and crank it up. Now the message displayed last time when I was cutting the car off. So let's cut it off and see what happens. And nothing. Means you have a good battery, it's fully charged, and you're good to go. Just like that easy, that simple. Change the battery on your key fob. All right, there you have it, y'all. Just that easy, just that simple. To change out the battery in your Mazda CX-5 key fob. And all Mazdas are pretty much the same. Just check and verify that's the same battery. Like I said, this one was a CR 2025. The battery was, I think, like $9 for the pair. I got it at Target, but I'll put a link for it on Amazon. I'll put a link for it in the description, just in case anybody needs one. So yeah, that easy, that simple. Don't take it to the dealership, just do it yourself. Just get a little plastic butter knife, take you about 5 minutes. So for more videos like this, for more updates on the Mazda CX-5, for more updates on the truck, stay tuned to the channel, me and Car Keys, and I'll see you next time.